I'm so excited right now. Let's do a unboxing together. This is a version I bought. M4 Pro chip 14-inch. I'm so excited. This is our first MacBook Pro I got. This is my third MacBook. The first and second MacBook I got, they're all Air. And since now I started to edit video, they can't support my workflow. So let's just do it. Oh, because I applied student discounts, then I got this one free. I didn't expect it at all, and I was so excited, I was so happy. I can't tell how happy I was. This one I got is AirPods 4. Which one we should do first? Let's unbox this one first. Wow, wow, wow. Dun, 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 dun. This one is obviously much heavier than MacBook Air. And what we got here, some envelope. Oh, I love this one. This is a charger. But this charger is so big here. But I'm still gonna use my old charger. I think they're still fine. And the cable. I'm gonna skip it here for now. When the old one broke, I'm gonna use this. So far, I'm just gonna leave it here. Silver one. Let's do it together. Wow. This is the old cover. I want to see if I can still use it. Oh my god, it still fits. I always like to put the cover here because I'm really worried if the water pour here. Let's do it. Wow. Oh my goodness. Accessibility, I don't need the Wi-Fi, so I need to connect to Wi-Fi. Where's my phone? Leave this on. I really recommend if you have a MacBook, use a protector. You see there are lots of scratch here. Okay, I'm gonna explore the MacBook a little bit. I will see you later. Bye bye.